Hello guys, this is my 2000 CBR 600 F4 and today I'll be installing some aftermarket Amazon Chinese livers on my bike. So here are the livers that I want to install. These looked really nice, so I got them. Like, why not? Let's put them on and see how it is. So I'll be putting them today, and this is my hot bodies undertail kit. I'll be putting a video of this soon. And yeah, check out my channel. I even have a video on this fugue visor that I installed a few months ago, so check out my channel and let's get on with this. To remove the brake lever, there's a screw, this type of screw on the top, flathead, and bottom you have a 10 mm nut, so we'll have to loosen this and then remove it like that. Once the nut is out, you just have to unscrew this like this, clean all the dust here, and then again put the bolt back and the nut below it. So yeah, this side is done. This thing looks really nice. It's the foldable and extendable one, that's why I bought this. I think I'll really like this. So it's perfect, does not shake a lot from here at least. This is fine, I don't mind that. So yeah, now repeat the same thing on the other side. Bolt down there and the top screw has to be unscrewed, so let me do that. And yeah, while you're there, might as well clean it up and lube it all the way inside. Switch in on over here and on the screws whole side, cylindrical side. So yeah, do that and then install it. So once it is done, just wipe off any excess grease and make sure you put the lower nut. So yeah, there you have it. This is how you install livers on your motorcycle. It can be for any motorcycle, basically the same thing. So yeah, this is how these look on this bike. I kind of like it. It's not bad. Looks nice to me with this blue, silver, black and red together. Main thing is these are extendable and fold and adjustable, so I think it's really nice. I got them for around $30. They came directly from, I think, China, all the way from, I ordered them from Amazon USA. I'll put the link down below for you guys to buy it. It's been available on eBay and all. Slight differences in, like, this can be silver, this can be black, something like that. So yeah, alright then, check out my other videos. Bye.